How to fix lock symbol light in a car. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how can we fix the annoying lock symbol light that just won't turn off in your car. First, let's talk about what the lock symbol light actually means. It's usually a red indicator on your dashboard that looks like a car with a key inside. When the light is on, it means your car security system is activated. If someone tries to break in, it will trigger the alarm. But sometimes, even after your car is unlocked, the light stays on and the car remains locked. This can happen for a few reasons. Number one could be a faulty or dead key fob battery or a low or dead car battery. The first thing to check is the key fob. If the battery is dead, the security system won't disengage properly. Just replace the battery with a new one and try locking and unlocking your car again. If the lock symbol turns off, great, but if not, the key fob itself needs replacing. Likewise, if the problem isn't with the key fob, the issue might be with the car's battery. First, unplug the battery terminals and check if it needs to be charged. Charge the battery for a few minutes and reconnect it. If the light goes on, you're good to go. If not, you might need to replace the car battery. So, when should you call the mechanic? If none of the solutions work, you can head to the dealership for further inspection. There could be a deeper issue with the security system. So, that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.